Gauge is just a fancy word for how big your stitches are. It tells you how many stitches and rows fit into a 4x4 inch square. And here's why it's important. If your gauge is off, your project might turn out way too big or way too small. Start by using the yarn and hook size recommended in your pattern or from the yarn label. Then crochet a square that's at least 5 inches wide and 5 inches tall, just to give yourself some space. Lay your swatch flat and measure across the middle, not the edges. Count how many stitches fit across 4 inches and how many rows fit top to bottom in 4 inches. Now compare your numbers to what the pattern says. If your stitches are too big, try using a smaller hook. If they're too small, go up a hook size. Tiny adjustments can make a big difference in how your finished piece fits. Even for things like hats, squares, or bags, getting close to the right gauge helps your project turn out the way you expect. But don't stress, it doesn't have to be perfect. Aim to be close enough. Progress over perfection. You did it! Measuring gauge might feel technical, but it's just another tool to help you crochet with confidence. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and check out my free beginner crochet course for more step-by-step support. You've got this, and I'm cheering you on every stitch of the way.